This is part two. All I'm doing here is importing the model into Revo Studio so that I can go through and fill the holes. And I end up choosing the highest settings and then fill holes for the mesh quality. This is all real time, so just bear with me. Okay, so see it finished, all the holes are filled, everything's still looking pretty smooth. So what I'm going to do now is export the model. That way it's saved and I don't have to worry about anything getting messed up if I accidentally hit the undo button. There, it got exported. Now I'm going to import it back in. And now I'm going to trim it down since I don't need the entire model. I just need a section of it. I'm going to use the clipping tool. You can also use the lasso tool, but for this job, the clipping tool is fairly easy. You use the right click and then you drag, and whichever way the arrow face is the part that will be kept. Then you click apply and it'll do it. If you make a mistake, just don't hit the apply button and you can just undo the clipping. So I finished clipping both sides of it and I got the part that I needed, so I'm about to export it. Just saved it as a STL. Now I'm going to import it into Mesh Mixer. There's probably other software that can do this, but this is the only one I know that's free and fairly easy to do. You simply use the brush tool and you need to select the entire portion of the STL. And it goes a little bit slow because it's painting a lot of triangles at the same time. Once you finish, you go up to convert, then to make solid, uncheck the maintain dimensions, and then you must do it again. I have no clue why you have to do it twice, but that's the only way that I found that actually works. Once that's finished, go to the extrude button, and then you're just simply going to extrude it up. You can go the max amount, it really doesn't matter. And you can see how it thickened up just that surface scan. So now this gives us something better to work with. Click accept, and then we're going to export that file out. Now this will take a few minutes or so. This is all done in real time. It's a lot of triangles that added to it, so the file size is going to be fairly large. I believe this one came out to be about 500 megabytes from the original file that was maybe about 20. All right, it's almost finished. I'm going to have a part 3 that's going to show what to finish to do with this file.